going on the Maharajah Jungle Trek. It's a walking tour at Animal Kingdom. We've actually never done the Maharajah Jungle Trek, so we're gonna go see what kind of animals we can find here. Coming out, here's a Komodo dragon. Oh my gosh, that's scary.
Oh, cool.
That is so scary. So they have potent bacteria in their saliva, and it is so lethal that they can take down a water buffalo with just their bite and the saliva from their bite can take down something as big as a water buffalo. So moral of the story is stay away from Komodo dragons because they're super dangerous. Wow, it's beautiful in here with all the birds and the trees. It's amazing.
Yeah, actually, that is a full-grown duck.
Oh, look at the cute duckies. They're eating little pieces of lettuce.
No, I just realized it's not.
What did you see? Oh, wow. Check that out. Oh, there's some in the trees. You can hear them in the trees.
Oh no, they are covered. They can't get out.
Wow. Wow, look at all the birds in the trees. So cool. And you can see that netting above them, so they don't actually escape from this area. So that keeps them all in this habitat. Wow. Check that out. Wow.
A peacock.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
Great August pheasant.
That's a pheasant.
What did you do to burn up front one? That was a Nickelbar pig. Nickelbar.
Wow. That's amazing. Wow, look at that. He looks like he's hairy. Look at that. Take a picture, Nicholas. Look at this one. That is so cool.
With the golf course?
Oh my gosh. Wow. That is so cool. The Maharajah Trek was awesome. Definitely a must-do. We actually missed it when we were here a few days ago. You could see the bats and the birds were amazing. Some birds I've never seen before, and you see a giant pheasant. So definitely take the Maharajah Jungle Trek. It only takes a few minutes to walk all the way through, and you can take some great photos and videos. We're at the Yak And Yeti Restaurant at Animal Kingdom having lunch today. When you come to this restaurant, you'll see this QR code on your table where you can scan it to get the menu. They also have separately a kids menu, which they will hand to you if you request it. And the kids menu is not through the QR code. They just hand it to you, and it's actually a really cool activity book. And they give, here's a little pencil they give the kids. And there's all kinds of activities to keep them occupied. For the kids, they have a lot of kid-friendly food, from chicken tenders, corn dogs, cheeseburgers, mac and cheese. And they also have stir-fry noodles, but it will be a kid-sized portion, or chicken breast teriyaki, chicken fried rice, things like that. So this gives them a variety if they want to venture out and try something different, or if they just want to stick to something they know and love, like corn dogs or chicken tenders. So this is a great place to come with their kids, so you don't have to be worried about if they're going to be a picky eater and not order anything from the regular adults menu, because they do have that taken into consideration. Our lunch has arrived. We're gonna start by showing you guys the awesome chicken tiki masala with the pita bread on the side. And Scott's meal looks outstanding. Scott, can you tell me what you ordered?
Well, this is a bacon cheeseburger with the side of bacon and more bacon. That is steak.
Is it teriyaki steak?
Yes.
Okay.
And that is shrimp tempura.
Uh-huh.
That would be called white rice.
Yeah, I think he got the jasmine rice like I did with some vegetables. Nicholas ordered from the kids menu. That's the chicken teriyaki breast, white jasmine rice, and a side of grapes. All right. Okay, everyone. Bon appetit. Dig in, Nicholas. Bon appetit. And bon appetit to me, because this smells amazing. I can smell strong curry, and I love curry. So I cannot wait to dig into this. Let's do a little walk around Yak and Yeti and see what an awesome looking dining room they have here with such gorgeous decorations. So this is the area that we are sitting in. There's Scott and Nicholas. And look at all these really pretty paintings on the wall. And this dining room, this main area is gorgeous. Look at that really cool statue. And then there's also an upstairs. And they have these lights here. It's almost like you're sitting outside. When you enter the Yak and Yeti, you come through these doors and you see this really scary looking statue right there, which I want to take a picture with. And they have pressed pennies here, which I'm definitely going to get. You check in right here and they go ahead and take you into the dining room to your seating area. To the right, you have this cool looking bar and statues everywhere. Really neat. You have the low ceilings with looks like really pretty red and green ornate tiles on the ceiling. You come to this section here. There's another part. The restrooms are right through there. And when you go through to the restrooms, you can rub the Buddha for good luck. Rub, rub, rub. Even the bathroom area is neat. There's women and men. Very cool. The atmosphere here is really neat. We actually really can't wait to come back. There's posters, it looks like movie posters on the walls. There's definitely a lot of seating here. Even the tables are decorative. And look at the chandeliers and the fans. Really cool. They have, wow, check this out. The detail is outstanding. I mean, look at this. So cool. And then we go upstairs. Wow, this whole area, the upstairs is really neat. Look at all of these cool decorations they have here. I mean, the attention to detail is amazing. Wow. It's like you're there. Look at that. There's definitely a lot of seating here, upstairs and downstairs. And every corner that you're seated at has tons of fantastic, detailed, gorgeous decorations that really adds to the atmosphere of the entire restaurant. The attention to detail that only really Disney does, where you feel like you've actually entered the region that they want you to be in. And this is just a completely separate room upstairs as well. And then here, This is also the second floor, and you have these views right down there. So this is really beautiful with the chandeliers. Look at all of the details. Every corner that you look, there are some type of statues, sculptures, paintings, chandeliers, even the walls. Every little thing, every little detail has been thought out meticulously to create the atmosphere that they have created here at the Yak and Yeti. Here's a view from the second floor down to the bottom. Every corner, every detail, it's absolutely amazing. The details have been taken care of to make you feel like you are, for example, in Nepal, in a restaurant having your meal. It really feels like you are there. They take you there. Disney basically takes care of so much detail that they take you straight to the region that they want you to feel that you are in. It's really amazing. And that is really what I love about Disney. I don't have to travel around the world. I can just come to Disney and I feel like I'm there. Look at that. It's absolutely amazing. Just look at the bar, the lovely photos they have here, the statues, the sculptures, even the chairs, the lamps, the color on the wall, even the texture on the wall. Everywhere you look, every detail you see, it even looks worn, you know, dated and worn and old. Every detail here is taken care of. We just finished our lovely meal at the Yak and Yeti, and we're gonna do a review. So for me, I had the chicken tikka masala, and it was amazing. It's a little spicy, so if you don't like spice, definitely don't order it. But if you can, it's not too spicy. If you can handle a little bit, you'll be fine. And it had a lot of curry, and it tasted fantastic with the jasmine rice. And they had the pita bread on the side that you can dip into the sauce. I'll definitely order it again. I loved it. Scott had the special of the day, which was a teriyaki steak with vegetables, jasmine rice, and shrimp tempura. And your review?
This steak was outstanding. The rice was excellent. The shrimp tempura was good. And that vegetable melody thing they put over there, they're very decorative.
What about the sauce? He doesn't do green. He just doesn't. The vegetables look fantastic, but he's just not into it, but that's okay. Nicholas, your food? It was what I like to call meh. Alrighty, so Nicholas thought his kids' meal of the chicken teriyaki was meh. He gave it a 5, you said? Okay. And but he loved his dad's steak. When we do come back here, we definitely are going to come back here. I believe that we are. Nicholas will probably just order from the adult menu and he'll get the steak because it was very, very good. You did enjoy it, correct? Mm-hmm. You're gonna have it again? Mm-hmm. You'll come back again?
Mm-hmm. But please don't make me eat those vegetables.
Okay, we won't make him eat the vegetables. Maybe we'll give him double rice or double shrimp or something instead of vegetables. So what Scott ordered was the daily special, and it was called the hibachi steak and tempura shrimp. It's not going to be on the menu on a regular basis. Scott really loves this music. But if you come here and it is the special, order it. And we ordered it to be cooked medium, and it just melted it in your mouth. I had a taste of it. It was fantastic. So we're hoping that they do have that special next time we come, or maybe hopefully they put it on the menu. The hibachi steak and tempura shrimp was out of this world, and it's probably what Nicholas is going to order next time because the steak was amazing. It really was amazing. I'm still going to order the chicken tikka masala because I love curry and jasmine rice, and the chicken was very tender with the bread to dip in, the pita bread. That's all from us here at the Yak and Yeti. Scott enjoys this. I think he's going to buy the CD. Is that art, Scott? Yes. He really loves this music. He was like grooving and everything. He was getting down. Our server just dropped off some fortune cookies for us. Let's see your fortune, Nicholas.
You will be shocked with good luck.
All right. I just opened my fortune cookie right here. And my fortune said, and I quote, "You are not illiterate." So I'm not sure what kind of fortune that is. It's not really even a fortune, it just kind of tells you something. Like you can read.
Or I think you're in the wrong side.
No, it says you're not illiterate. Look,
Oh, then.
my fortune says.
Well, right, because how do you figure that out?
I mean, and then the other side says, how about another fortune? Scott, what's your say?
You make people realize that there exist other beauties in the world.
What?
Wait, actually?
What? Are you making this up? Give
Read
it to me.
Read that.
Okay. Read it to us, Nicholas. What does it say?
It says that.
Don't choke.
They're trying to say that you're a beauty.
Let me see. Let me see. Okay, this is Scott's fortune. It says
You're so ugly.
you make people realize that there exists other beauties in the world.
Maybe
So is it saying Scott is a beauty?
that, or he's so ugly that they try to look at other beauty.
Look, my family's not trying to say I'm ugly, but I'm ugly.
Okay. We didn't say that. We're just thinking, okay, the fortune was
You know, there's things they say to me all the time, like, we're not trying to say you're fat, but put down the cheeseburger.
Goodbye from the Yak and Yeti. Thanks for watching Penny on the DL. Don't forget to subscribe and have a magical day.
Isn't Yak and Yeti in